What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. No Skyline videos today, but I just want to talk about the wheels situation. So my brother got the tire. Amazon actually sent a brand new tire, so tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and put those on, but for the time being I just want to show you guys the update on that. So here's the damage right here. If you can see, I think he actually dragged on the road here, and when he stopped it hit, like, I think right here. This is what stopped him right here on the cement. So if you can see, you can't see because it doesn't focus, but technically right here is where he hit the cement and stopped the car. I put it on a balancer and it actually balanced out pretty well. Doesn't seem like any of the spokes were compromised. There's no bend in the lips or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire on and just call it a day. Worst case, he can just sand it down and just spray paint it again. And look like that. Doesn't matter. I don't really know what he wants to do. But right now I'm heading over to Chris's shop, and we're gonna go ahead and look at his Evo. I'm very excited to see his Evo. It's completely repainted with some bolt-ons, and he just put coilovers on, so I'm really excited to see that car. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't had time to go over there, but we're gonna head over to Chris's shop. But before I do that, I'm gonna gather all my stuff because we're gonna be tinting that car as well, so you guys can be able to see how that car looks, and hopefully it's not too much of a pain to tint that car. I don't think so. It's kind of really small, so we'll see how it goes. Also, guys, another thing I want to talk about are the t-shirts. I've been kind of dragging on the t-shirts for a little bit now because just been busy, and then I went to Hong Kong and now I'm back and just recuperating everything. But I am selling the F shirts with the Mount Fuji in the back. I'm almost done. I'm working on the XLs right now. If you guys remember, I said that I am actually customizing, hand making every single one of them, and it takes time to, you know, wash them, iron them out, iron on the actual vinyl, fold them, and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is do a photo shoot, have some nice quality photos. I'm gonna list it on my big cartel, and you're gonna have an opportunity to buy them. And for those who do make a purchase, every person that makes a purchase will be entered to win a special item that I'm going to be giving to 3 winners: the first place, second place, and a third place winner. And I can disclose that a little bit more in the next video, but stay tuned for that. I hope you guys buy the merchandise. It's going to be a limited run. Less than 30 shirts will be made, and if it's very successful, we're going to go ahead and just continue on and making more merch. But I didn't want to expand into it too much. If I'm able to sell everything, then we're going to go ahead and continue on with merchandising later on the channel, in the future of the channel. So stay tuned. White cars look so good. So here's Chris's Evo. We're going to be tinting this today, actually. I'm just grateful that he doesn't have any tint on there, because it's really a pain in the ass to remove old tint on these old cars. So everything's gonna be hand cut. I don't have it in the system, so I gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Hopefully it'll come out looking pretty good for the most part. But I know Chris is pretty cool, not too picky. Just wants a little bit cooler for the inside. Makes sense. But I kind of like the fishbowl too. I probably won't post this video until he posts his video, because I gotta make sure that he gets his content in. I don't want to jack his content. The car looks freaking good, man. Like, it makes me want to get an Evo because it's such a small little car, but it's also very like JDM. I mean, it's right-hand drive and all that. See in there, looks really cool. It's a little windy out today, so I'm gonna vlog when we get into his shop. So yeah. Alright guys, we just got to Chris's shop, and Marcus is here as well, so I'm just saying what's up to them. Marcus is working on his car, and we are here working on Chris's car. Like I said before, we're going to be tinting it 20% all around, and I have to hand cut this. I don't have the pleasure of doing the machine cut, so it's going to take me a little while, but it's a good challenge, or it's a good thing to challenge yourself no matter whatever you do. But anyway, you know him, Chris Rudnick.
I trust you with my baby, dude.
Yes, I'll take good care.
I trust you, man, 100%.
I love that. I'm glad I have work, because it's something, you know, I don't do anything at home anyway. So anyway, here it is.
We ordered new ones.
Alright guys, so I didn't really record much because the rain, and that's why the car's inside the shop, by the way. So I went ahead and just finished tinting the thing 20%. I think having it 20% all around actually makes the car look a lot cooler in terms of contrast. Although I think Fishbowl would look a little bit more JDM. I guess JDM.
Wasn't bad.
But I think Chris likes it. Honestly, it's too hot in Florida, and having ceramic tint, it's ideal for protecting your interior and your skin. Because I probably have skin cancer by now. You can tell how dark I am. Look like a Mexican. But we're probably gonna come back another day and do the windshield. 75%. So it's almost like this with just a tad bit of a shade to it, or a tint to it rather. So he'll be happy with it. And Marcus.
I need mine done too.
Yeah? Oh yeah, I gotta do Marcus first. So I got.
The tint actually works. Trust me, it works. It keeps your car a lot cooler. I don't have AC and it stays pretty cool.
I told you guys, ceramic tint is the way to go. Don't use the cheap stuff, even though saving money is really important. Use coupons if you can, but for ceramic stuff on tint, you gotta use it. Same thing applies with detailing. People rather use ceramic coat, preferably than wax, because it lasts a lot longer. So I recommend anyone using ceramic tint, do it. It really makes a big difference. Tint usually rejects UV rays. Ceramic rejects infrared rays, which is a lot more harmful on the skin than UV rays. So you can Google that, because I could be lying too, I don't really know, but I'm trying to sell you guys ceramic tint really works. And get this guy's approval. Alright, we're gonna go to some low light action. What do you think about it, Mo?
Dude, I think it came out awesome.
Dude, it smells out here.
What?
It smells out here.
It smells a little like rubber, but
Oh, sorry.
drifted it.
So what do you think, man? The way it looks.
Came out fucking killer. I was a little nervous with the 20%, but like I'm happy that we decided to do it because like it's not too dark to the point like where you can't see at night, so it's good.
Yeah.
I'm stoked. Like, look, came out awesome.
Yeah, he's happy.
This is so cool. No, it's just the tires.
Gonna hang out a little bit more, and then I'm probably gonna go home and take a shower because I sweating like an animal. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to record when I got home yesterday, but I just want to let you guys know it was a thrill to tint that car. It was a lot easier than I thought, but coming from someone that was so used to using a plotter to cut tint to hand cutting, it took me a while. I was there for at least 4 hours, you know, just hanging out, taking my time. Had to do a couple windows, so anyone learning to do tint, take your time with it. There's a lot that goes into it prior to actually installing the tint when it comes down to prepping and cleaning and cutting the tint out. But you know, Chris was happy. I just told him, you know, whatever I can do, just let me know. Just hopefully stay tuned for that. Like, I'm probably gonna be hanging out with Chris and stuff more often for the channel. Networking is very important in my opinion. I hang out with Pico all the time, so you can see why for the most part I always have him on my channel. My camera has a hard time trying to focus on me for some reason. Probably because I don't have my hat on. You guys always see me with a hat on. But anyway, like I said in the beginning of the video, shirts will be going on sale soon. As you can see right here, this is the Mount Fuji insignia in the back that I have. Just to show you guys how it's gonna look like. Here's the front of the shirt. It's gonna have an F logo in honor of the F Performance team at Lexus who created the F line, and also have my KG right here on the tag. Like I said, only a few of these will be on sale, so when I do have it up, it might sell out fast, and I do apologize. I just don't have the funds and time to make, you know, over 20 shirts, if that makes sense. If I was able to make 20 shirts each size, it would have been easier to sell and I wouldn't have such an issue. But this is kind of a trial period. For those who really want t-shirts, you know, they're gonna go for sale. I'm gonna have small, medium, large, and extra large, limited sizing on some of them. And whoever enters, you'll be entered in a raffle to win a prize. Grand prize will be, you know, 2 items, and then the rest will be, you know, whatever it may be. Every single person who orders a shirt will get a sticker, an F sticker that I've made to be used indoors or outdoors, but it might not last as long. So hopefully those of you guys who are interested, be alert and be aware of it. I will be done with those shirts by this weekend, so maybe next week on Monday or Tuesday I will be posting a video going live with it. I'm hoping the merchandise sells. Any bit of that helps the channel, including me. I am my own my own entrepreneur in that sense. I control everything on the channel. Everything I make or funded is by me. So having these shirts being sold will really help me out a lot. I might even use that money, the profit money, to invest into future t-shirts if you guys are interested in that. And also with the new build coming along, the Skyline, I really want to put more time into the car, but right now I'm taking it slow because I'm still trying to finish the deal off on this car. Once it's roadworthy, I'm gonna go ahead and make more videos. You know how I do it. I always try to make a review video and DIY videos because I want you guys to learn about the car just as much as I'm learning about the car, because you can search R34 videos all day. It's hard to find DIY videos. Same thing with the Lexus. That's the reason why I started this channel, is because of the DIY videos. And you know what? Looking back, between vlogging and making those videos, I do miss the DIY videos, and I think that's what makes my channel kind of interesting in that sense, because of the DIY videos. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna go ahead and detail this car. I might be doing it with Alex Rin. He's also a friend of mine that I've met through Chris. He details cars for a living, but I want to see if he want to go ahead and collab. So be sure to stay tuned, be subscribed. We're gonna be doing a lot of videos. Hopefully the quality a lot better, content a lot more interesting, and I just hope that you guys stick around. So until then, because the weather is really poop today, I'm gonna end this video here, which was linked to yesterday's video with Chris. So subscribe to his channel, Ricer Miata. Subscribe to my channel, Lam Lee, or Kantstandlam Garage. I actually had to change it, so talking too much, I'm sorry. And I'll see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned and have a blessed weekend. Peace.